Welcome back, adventurers. I first want to say thanks for following along the last 3 years as the struggle bus with the T7 and myself explored Colorado. It did suck leaving Colorado and all the mountain passes and the riding buddies that I'd made. However, Telluride is actually closer to me and I have far less traffic to deal with, so we'll see you guys in Telluride. The second thing I have to say is thank you to my wife for saying yes to purchasing a house that would literally make my 8-year-old self extremely happy. Reason being, this playground here that I'm farting around in is just out in the backyard. And as I would soon find out, I was very much underrating what I imagined New Mexico terrain to be. Enough putzing around in the playground. Let's go get started with the adventure. First adventure being a loop around the Rio Puerco. And at some point, I hope to pronounce it correctly. So, as is rule number 1, always do dumb things with friends. So, first up, I had to work up the courage to make new friends, to which thankfully a gentleman named Matt agreed to meet me for this loop, in which I had no idea I was getting myself into. His only questions were, what do you ride and do you like sand? We all know the answer to that. So, to give myself the best possible chance for survival, I planned a ride that happened the day after a rainstorm. And as a bonus, Matt knew the place like the back of his hand, so I planned to lead. Instead, I just let him take the lead, to which I'm very grateful, sir, for you being a personal guide for the day. Okay, so enough talking and muting the bikes. Let's just listen to the bikes and see the trouble that I get myself into.
Wow, look at this. Wow, this is just amazing. Oh man, look at all this. That's pretty fun stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. I take it your loop's going this way, off to the left now.
Correct, yeah, it
Yeah.
kind of goes straight there.
So you can see not 100 yards from here is where the boundary is
Okay.
for the reservation. You can follow the arroyo straight to the fence, but and then back over there some more riding. Up on this hill is some, This is all single track and this orange stuff here.
Shit.
We'll kind of go around the single track here and drop down on the other side.
It's just everything.
It is a little bit of everything. How are you at angles and steep? Okay.
I'm all right. I mean, as long as there's, as long as I can get traction.
Yeah. Okay.
I can appreciate Matt feeling the apprehension, but allowing me to say yes anyway.
Wow. Shadow Rock. What a gorgeous fucking day. Man.
That moment you relax the sphincter just to pucker it right back up.
This is good stuff. Fucking mini Moab. But they're white rocks. That's so crazy. Wow. This is incredible. That was hella cool.
Nice. I wanted to give you a little taste.
That was good. That was awesome.
So that's mini Moab. And when you come around here, you'll see this other rock. It's called Snoopy Rock. It looks like Snoopy lying down.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Ha. That's crazy.
Isn't that funny? So that's Snoopy Rock. If anybody ever mentions that or whatever.
I suddenly have doubts. But give it a go anyway, and of course, without enough speed. pass on the try again button, so we ended up just going around this hill.
Oh, Nate, you would fucking love this. It's like a fucking wet dream right here. This is so fun. Oh my god. That section was super fun.
Isn't that awesome? That's like a day ender for me.
Don't land in the cactus. Don't land in the cactus. Don't land in the cactus. Ow.
Feel comfortable doing that?
And just like that, we're back where we started. Thanks for watching, folks. Join us next time when we go on another adventure and end up on Dome Road, which was amazing.